In this tutorial, I guide you through the easy steps to transform your Facebook account into page. It's crucial towards the enter video to avoid any errors. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for my channel. Thank you and all. And let's dive right in. Firstly, launch your Facebook application and navigate to your profile. As you can observe, I currently have 18 friends on my list. Now let me demonstrate how to straightforward it is to change my Facebook account into a page. To initiate this, I click on the Add button and choose the Turn on Professional Mode option. Next, we need to hit Turn on and proceed. Afterward, we can revisit our profile. As you may notice, my Facebook friends have now transitioned into followers. This signifies that I have successfully altered my Facebook account into a page.